Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about syncing contacts on your phone to your TikTok profile. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up TikTok and select the profile icon on the bottom right to open up your TikTok profile here. Select the hamburger icon on the top right, left click on it one time, and then you want to go down and select settings and privacy. Underneath account, select the privacy button and then select where it says sync contacts and Facebook friends. At this point, go ahead versus sync contacts. Go ahead and toggle that to the on position. And you would have to give TikTok permission to access your contact list. And you can see that your contacts will periodically be synced up to help you find and be discovered by people you know. You can turn this off at any time. So pretty straightforward process on that. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.